Shukran, Top Chef. Shukran. Lovely smile. Look at that. There you go, folks. That's my biryani. Wow. No in-room dining. No Valentine today. £1. $1.37 for a chicken biryani. You gotta go far. Just my clay water cup. Wow, how incredible. My plastic spoons. Try not to take plastic spoon, but let me see if I'm going to eat with my hand today. Clean as they can be, I know. Then the spoons. Yeah. Wow. Biryani chicken. Chili. Wow. Hotel I'm staying at couldn't even send a plate. Couldn't even send a fork and knife. So I'm here, well, eating. People are busy entertaining the Valentines, missing out the true love. This is maul. Amazing, folks. Absolutely chicken, just chicken meat. Halal. Excuse me. Excuse me, folks. Oh, beautiful taste, beautiful.